Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 5th to the 19th. From March 5th to the 9th, we have a ridge here over the Eastern Pacific that kind of lifts northward towards the Aleutians, with below normal heights across the northern latitudes, has been the case practically all this winter. And we have above normal heights are forecast across the southeast and the plains. You can see it right here. Miles of good agreement. And then during this period, we'll have a low pressure system at the start of the period. Over the northeast, that will be lifting through the region, and will cross the lower Mississippi Valley. You can see it here in the lower Mississippi Valley, causing heavy rain and possible storms. And this system is forecast to phase with a stronger northern stream energy, and then it will move off the southeast coast. Right there by Friday. Now, it still remains to be seen what the effects will be for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, but we will have a northern stream energy. You can see it here, right here on Friday. This could bring some wintry precipitation as seen in the GFS. This is the GFS. And we look at the European, and let's see where the 540 line is. I think this is it. Could bring some snow or mixed precipitation, but snow will be mostly inland. And then we look at the here's the Canadian, and the 540 line is way down here, so this can bring snow. Let me go back to there. This can bring snow here, and then we look at the European ensembles. Has snow or mixed precipitation for the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, because all of them have the 540 line all the way down here. So that remains to be seen. And then we'll have a system moving into the Northwest. And this will reach the east and then bring snow to parts of the New England. And then this system here moving into the Northwest will cause precipitation from the Sierra and the northern central Rockies as we go through here. So all in all, that's how the pattern's going to look like from March 10th to the 14th. The pattern remains unchanged across the high latitudes and the Eastern Pacific, but a trust forecast along or near the west coast with a ridge in the east cover much of the remainder of the nation, as seen well in all the models. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, or for the entire nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, above normal precipitation here and across this area, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period from March 15th to the 19th, getting close to the end of meteorological winter, and let me get to the 15th. And we have a ridge that remains near the Aleutians, a trough near or along the west coast, with a zone of flow at above normal heights, nearly zone of flow across much of the remainder of the nation. The NAEFS has above normal heights with a zone of flow. It doesn't have a trough here. It's weaker. It's more offshore. So for this forecast period, forecasting little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 5th to 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.